Looking to finance a car or home with SoFi? The application process is similar to their other loans but tailored to these big assets. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start on SoFi's website or app under Mortgage or Auto Loan Refinance. Note: SoFi primarily offers auto loan refinancing, not direct purchase loans. You'll check your rate with a soft credit pull. For a mortgage, you'll work with a dedicated loan officer who guides you through document collection, pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and the underwriting process. For auto refinance, you'll provide details about your current car loan and the vehicle. My crucial pro tip: get pre-approved for a mortgage before house hunting. A SoFi mortgage pre-approval letter shows sellers you're a serious, qualified buyer, which is crucial in competitive markets. It involves a hard credit pull but gives you a clear budget and stronger offer power. Take the first major step toward your next car or home with clarity and confidence. Which feels more daunting to you? Applying for a mortgage or an auto loan? For more guides on major financing, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.